In recent years, agriculture has turned from a quite conservative industry into a high-tech industry, in which modern methods of efficient ecological farming play a special role. Fly&See Agro is a service company which was the first one in the world to offer practical solutions for integrated biological protection of plants from pests by dispersing entomophages with the use of multi-rotor drones. How does it work? What does the complex consist of? Why is it efficient? In this video, we will answer the most popular questions. Well, one thing at a time. Most of the negotiations and data exchange are conducted online, which allows both parties to save a great deal of time. A face-to-face meeting is required to get acquainted, clarify the details of interaction, and sign the documents. The concluded contract becomes the subject of the analysis of the agricultural service, which develops the protection program. Subsequently, if necessary, the program can be adjusted based on the monitoring data. Work in the field involves the following steps. Employees of our agricultural service set up pheromone traps to monitor the flight of pests, inspect crops, discuss with the farm agronomist the current data of the protected fields. As soon as the traps are set, the specialists of Fly&See Agro record their coordinates. A customer company's employee can inspect the traps and send photos of pheromone traps to our specialists. The flight of pests has begun. It's time to protect the crops. Fly&See Agro pilots step into action. Having received a conclusion from the Agro Service concerning which entomophages, when, which technology, and in what quantity they should be applied, the pilots plan the application according to the specified parameters. In our work, we use equipment and software produced by the world leaders in manufacturing, as well as our own patented technologies and solutions. The preparation for application is a crucial process. Everything is the same as in big aviation. Therefore, high-quality recruitment and training of personnel allows the company to show high performance indicators. Anyway, let's return to our flies. Before entomophages end up in the field, they undergo quality control in laboratory conditions, and only after that, they are transferred to the pilot service. The pilot crews go to the site in specially equipped vehicles, which allow for autonomous operation in the field. All flights are carried out in automatic mode, which allows us to adhere to the technology of focal application of different types of entomophages. High efficiency rates are important to us. The crew of pilots consists of 2 people who fully control the application process and ensure the continuity of work. The maximum efficiency when using the biological method is achieved by at least 2 applications of entomophages per 1 generation of pests. The need for protection depends on the protected crop, the main pest, flight conditions, temperature conditions, sowing qualities, and other factors that are determined by our company's specialists who determine the protection system. We urge our customers to conclude cooperation contracts in advance and not 2 days prior to the application, since the production of entomophages is a labor-intensive production process that takes up to 4 months. The complex of services Fly&See Agro was developed on the basis of well-tried technologies that have proven their efficiency over the past 50 years, adjusted to existing realities, and approved by the practical experience of our company. Fly&See Agro, to new heights with us.